Right. In the figure, D and E are the points on sides AB and AC of triangle ABC, and angle A is equal to 40 degrees and B is equal to 30 degrees. Find the angles X, Y, Z. See here, ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Angle B is equal to how much? 30 degrees is given. And angle A is equal to 40 degrees is given. Okay? Angle A is equal to 40 degrees. Angle B is equal to 30 degrees and angle C is equal to 5 degrees. We know that the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. What is angle A? 40 degrees plus angle B 30 degrees plus angle C y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 30 plus 40 70 degrees is equal to 110 degrees. So angle Y is equal to 110 degrees. Okay? Angle Y is equal to 110 degrees. Next one. See here, ED and BC are parallel. Okay? DE parallel to BC. Okay? Next, what are these two angles? Angle B and angle C. Angle B and angle D. What are these two angles? These two are parallel. Okay? And this is the transversal. Okay? What are these two angles now? Corresponding angles. So, angle B and angle D are corresponding angles. Angle D and angle B are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay? So, therefore, angle B is equal to angle D is equal to angle B is equal to angle D is equal to how much? What is angle D? Angle D? X means what are these two? Equal. Means angle D is equal to how much? 30 degrees. And at the same time, angle E and angle C, these two are also corresponding angles. So these two are also equal. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle C is equal to angle E is equal to 110 degrees. 110 degrees. These two are also corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. Okay. So angle E is equal to angle C is equal to 110 degrees. Right. What is given? One angle of a triangle ABC is 40 degrees and the other two angles are equal. Find the measures of each angle. Okay? Let us suppose ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. In this, one of the angle, let us suppose angle A is equal to 40 degrees and the remaining two angles are equal. Remaining two angles are equal. That means let angle B is equal to x and angle C is also equal to x. Okay? If two angles are equal, then the two sides are also equal. Okay? We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is equal to 40 degrees plus angle B x degrees plus angle C x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X plus x. 2x. 2x degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. 2x degrees is equal to 140 degrees. X degrees is equal to 140 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 270. So x is equal to 70 degrees. So that means angle B and angle C are equal. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 70 degrees each. Okay? Right. Find the value of angle X from the figure. Okay? Here AB, CD. What are these two parallel lines? AB and CD are parallel. See here. Suppose this is AB, and this is CD. Now this is the transversal. Now what are these two angles? Tell me. These two angles. What are these two? Interior opposite angles. So this is 75 degrees. Then what is this angle? 75 degrees. Okay? 75 degrees. That means angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 75 degrees. And it is given that angle D is equal to 40 degrees. Angle D is equal to 40 degrees. And angle E is equal to how much? Angle E is equal to x degrees is given. Angle E is equal to x degrees is given. Now we know that angle DEC plus angle ECD plus angle CDE is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Because this is the triangle. Okay? Now what is angle E? Angle E is equal to how much? X degrees plus angle C is equal to 75 degrees plus angle D is equal to 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X degrees plus 75 plus 40. How much? 115 is equal to 180 degrees. Angle X is equal to 180 degrees minus 115 degrees. Angle X is equal to 180 minus 115. How much? 65 degrees. Okay, na? Angle X is equal to 65 degrees. Right. Okay, what is the given question? The angles of a triangle are the ratio 2:3:4. Find the angles. Okay. ABC is a triangle, right? Angle A is to angle B is to angle C is equal to 2:3:4. Let each angle be x. That means the first angle is how much? Angle A is equal to how much is given? 2 and x. So 2x. Angle A is equal to 2x. Angle B is equal to 3x. Angle C is equal to 4x. But the sum of three angles in a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to how much? 180. What is angle A now? 2x. Plus angle B? 3x. Angle C? 4x. Is equal to? 180 degrees. 2x plus 3x? 5x. 5x plus 4x? 9x. 9x is equal to? 180. X is equal to? 180 degrees by 9. How many times? 1 time. So x is equal to 20 degrees. X is equal to 20 degrees. Now we have to find each angle. Angle A is equal to 2x. That is 2 into 20 is equal to 40 degrees. Angle B is equal to 3x. 3 into 20 is equal to 60 degrees. And C is equal to 4x. 4
4
into 20 is equal to 80 degrees. Now 80 plus 60, 140. 140 plus 40, 180 degrees. The sum of three angles in a triangle is
180 degrees.
correct? Right.